fall when cloud can't take weight. So we cry when we heart can't take pain. Enough things go on what me can't explain, but me still a go on hold faith and I maintain. We say we alright all when we not alright. Said time one put a bullet hole through we head space. Just a smile do a life heart said we. I ain't no lockdown so we can't complain. If you not like me I said this one time. Bad mind, them want me stop but me not stop shine. That's why me not too like mankind. No photocopy a brother, we are the realest, we genuine. Grow rough like leather skin. We lock down the place like when I set up in. Big up the girl them brown skin black melanin. No for them soft and a smile it off. Is a fighting heart we design the craft. There's a time for cry and a time for laugh. Watch the eye them a watch man. Them only come for yam your food like Pac-Man. Them no real, watch them action. Real no real, yo senti Hampton. Them a sack me a cheer so me know them can't go pull me back. Before them try to pull me back, me rather pull them up a shot. The tricks me got no magic man can't pull it out hard. What a surprise, them get them goodly get a heart attack. Give them a face, them know me not nice. Tread up on my mind, my life, me roll dice. Anytime you make the cheese, watch the mice. Dirty bad mind, go try find your size. Young lad, stay firm, your time soon come, you better wait that turn. Couldn't do this in a school, pan streets man learn. Do this in a school, pan streets man learn. Enough scar there, enough we couldn't heal. I know by some me, I tell us how we keep it real. Enough be enough fight, go to your side. Just I live my life for more, I live my life. So stop trying to hold it on.
Marques, so you mean we just a live for life, we just a live for life. 100% talent, Jamaican. Hey, may I tell you, big up yourself. Bad artist, you know, Ara General. What you say about the artist?
No, you see the
artist, performance.
The song, powerful like the ark when now are full. I wonder if your overs we may deal with. But here we go on now. The shyness I take over, your overs. You see me I deal with the eye just, I don't know if the eye want to use the stand and just sing like a singer, but the eye just now move. You see me I deal with the eye just a whole of composure. So everything else, alright, the song good, but me feel like it could deliver better with more feeling, more emotion. You see me I deal this out and draw with more in tune. You see me I deal, so for me give you a 5, my God.
Alright, thank you for that, Ara General. Alright, Counselor Edwards. Oh, Tash. Alright, Lady Tash.
I like your energy. I'm actually seeing the passion in your eyes. But what I didn't like though is the violent part. You have to take that out, you understand? Because as Nero rightfully said last week, you only have this moment to shine. You understand? So you have to be careful of your lyrics. So if all of the lyrics good and you have the part that in there, it can be bad for you. But it's good. I give you a 7.
Okay, good point.
Alright, I am happy that you had to start over. Right, because initially you were totally, you had a key issue initially, right? And I was trying to feel where you were on the song and the beat at the same time. So I'm happy you had to start over. So I wrote down between 5 and 7, right? Initially when it started. So I know somebody for you would have passed away. So I felt that in the song, that remorse feeling in the song. That's how you delivered it just now. You know?
Yeah.
So maybe that personal relationship with the person. So that came out in the middle just now. So I can't knock you for that, right? So I'm going to give you a 7.
All right, thank you for that, Counselor, Lady.
Right. Okay, for me, I've heard you sing in the past, and I really like your vibe. Normally you come across, you know, with the energy that's necessary for that song. But this time I think you're just emotional, and the person actually was very close to you. Yeah. So that I see, and I think because of that fact, you probably were not able to project it the song the best for today. But for your effort, I'll give you a 5. All right?
That's true. Thank you for that,
Nero.
Kisha, Las Vegas.
Alright, I'm tell you now what I go on now with me now. I'm going to be Anthony Miller with everybody who I know can do better and doing the better. Now, after all my years of working on the broadcasting station, I understand guidelines, especially when cameras are on you. You understand? It was a 9 for me, but the mere fact that he used that context of rifle buying him and all them things there, yeah, it just thrown back to a 7. You know what I mean? And I don't want anybody to take these judgments as we putting you guys down, because it's a different thing when I put out a song and the whole of social media have something bad to say about it. So these things supposed to build up and thing. And